What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Kyle for a while here. Guys, it's about 6:15 in the morning. Let me go ahead and give you guys that shot. But yeah, I just picked up my Bang energy drink. These things are phenomenal. I'm not even paid by anybody to say that. They're awesome, guys. If you haven't checked them out, check them out. But yeah, we're heading up to our secret bait spot. We're gonna get some bait. We're gonna get down in the water and we're gonna slay some massive sheepshead. Y'all stay tuned, it's gonna be an epic video.
I got one, guys. Oh, there he is. He's taking drag. He's taking drag. Oh, no. Come on, baby. Come on. Sleigh ride, baby. Come on. Oh, gosh. Oh, I gotta turn my pole around. Come on, baby. Stay in. That's a stud, guys. That's a nice one. Come on. Ooh. He absolutely annihilated my bait. Come on, baby. I don't have a net either. He's digging. Oh, it's a nice one. That is a stud sheepshead. Stud sheepshead. Nice sheepshead. Come on, get him in there. Come on, baby. Yeah! Woo! Yeah, he's probably 18. First fish in the boat. About a nice 18-inch sheepshead. Let's go ahead and get him off real quick. Woo! That's what I'm talking about, guys. They're spiny, I tell you that. Oh. Caleb's hooked up too. Caleb's hooked up too, guys. Let's get him off the hook. Squad, baby. Hey, hold him up. Jack, guys, I just got one. Jack got one. I don't want to hold him up too long. I don't want him to get out. Caleb's got one, I have one, and Jack's got one. We're slaying them, guys. Beautiful fish, beautiful. Let's get a bait back in the water. Let's get on them, everybody. It's a great day out here. Y'all make sure to like the video, subscribe. Nothing but good vibes on these channels, guys. Come on, sheepies, sheepies, sheepies. Jack's hooked up. Jack was hooked up. There he is. There he is. Oh! Oh my gosh, this is a monster. This is a monster. This is a monster. Come on, get him out of that pylon. Come on. That is a stud. He's in a pylon, I can feel him. Come on. Come on. That's a stud. That's a stud. Come on. Stay out of that pylon. Stay out of that pylon. I got him. Oh my gosh, it's a stud. It's a stud. Come on. Yes! Look at that Mogan. Look at that Mogan. Woo! Check out that size of that sheepshead, everybody. That right there is what you call a Mogan. He's probably 23 inches. That is a stud. Wow. Woo! Let's get the hook off. Check out that fish. Wow. That's a monster. Let's get a line back in the water. Got two sheepshead on the stringer. Let's go get another one. Why not? Let's go get another one. Come on, sheepies, 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 sheepies. There's one. There's one. I'm on. I'm on. Oh, that's a nice one. Come on. Stay out of that wreck. Stay out of that wreck. Come on. Oh, that's a nice. That's another nice one. It's another nice one. Come on. Oh, he's digging. He's digging. He's digging. Come on. No, don't. Stay out of that pylon. 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 Oh, another nice one. Another nice one. He's digging. Woo! Come on, he's digging. There we go. There we go. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, he's barely hooked. He's barely hooked. Come on. Come on. Got him. Let's go. Number 3. Number 3, guys. That's another 20-incher. That's another 20-incher, boys. That is what I'm talking about. He's barely hooked. Number 3, baby. I don't mind filleting a little fish. It's pretty choppy out here right now. It's a lot choppier than I would like it to be, but luckily I'm behind this little pylon right here, so it's kind of blocking the wind. But he's barely hooked. Nope, got off. Man, he was he was barely hooked. All right, Jack just had a nice one. Jack just had a stud. Hey, what do you think you had, man? He probably had a black drum on, guys. Oh, get bites. We're about down at the bottom. Come on, make this number 4. Make this Sheepshead number 4. There, oh, he was on there. He was on there. He took it. Come on, baby. Come on, sheepies. I know y'all are down there. Oh, I just got a nice bite. Nice hit. Come on, baby, take it. There he is. Yeah! There he. Get out of the pylon. Get out of the pylon. Oh, he's digging. He's digging. He's digging. He's digging. Stay out of there. This is a better fish, guys. This is a better fish. I wish my drag clicker would work on my pole so you guys could hear the drag. Come on up, baby. This is a better fish. This is a better fish. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's a better one. That's a better one. Oh yeah. Come on up. You ain't getting off, buddy. Oh yeah. Look at that one, boys. Woo! He's about 20. Beautiful fish. Little hook right in the corner of the mouth. Perfect. Perfect hook set. That's what we came out here to do. And we're getting the job done. That's all we can ask. Let's put him on the stringer. That's another nice one. There he is. Come on. Get him out of there. Get him out of there. Come on. There we go. He ain't getting in this one. He ain't getting out of this. He ain't getting in the pylons now. Come on, baby. Come on. There we go. Oh, that's a nice one too. Nice one. Oh my gosh. That's a big one. He didn't even know he's hooked. He didn't even know he's hooked. He doesn't even know he's hooked. Come on. Come on. Come on. Alright guys, what's going on? It's your boy Kyle for a while. We're gonna head back and take a little break. We got about 6 or 7 sheepshead on there. Got some absolute studs. My lips are probably chapped right now too. It's pretty cold out here. It's cold and windy, so my lips are probably chapped, but fixing to head back in and take a little bit of a break, and we might come back out here later. Depends, but I'm kind of hungry, so I'm gonna go grab me a little snack while they fish a little bit. And yeah, we'll see you guys in a bit. All right, guys, the Saltugan squad is back at the launch. How do we do today, guys?
Later.
We absolutely slayed them, guys.
Check out the hog.
This is my catch right here. These 6. I probably caught the biggest one of my life. Guys, this is the biggest sheepshead of my life. We're actually about to measure him. He's got to be pushing 23 at least. You know, if I use the rule gun.
With that nose, pinch that tail. He's 23. He's 23 and a quarter.
23 and a quarter.
Go shop for that.
That is a
Stud.
stud sheepshead. He put up a really good fight, but all in all, it was a freaking awesome day, guys. We absolutely tore the sheepshead up every single time I dropped, and instantly got a bite. It was an awesome day, guys. I caught 6. How many did you get, Jack?
4.
Jack got 4 and Caleb got 5. But all in all, it was a really good day, guys. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.